and can be used whenever we agree or are pleased about something. That word is Splann. Try it now. Let everyone know how much we're enjoying our day here. Splann. Louder. Splann. Splann. The Cornish language is all around us. We're surrounded by it in the names of our towns and villages and in the heart of our communities. It's even more in evidence now than when I first learned it. We see it on street signs, in car parks and in private place on official buildings. Even better, we're seeing it used more and more to name new housing estates or roads. Many of you will have been involved in the very successful Tabasantia project, the language of the land, looking at why these local place names were there in the first place.